This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Gemini AWD-23TE is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, slide-out, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2024 Thor motor coach Gemini AWD-23TE is built on a Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.